If there's one thing you can do today, if you're starting on your machine learning journey, is to really think about the data that you have in your organization and think about the decisions you make repeatedly and what data could help you make decisions better.
Hi, I'm at IMARC, METS Monday, hosted by METS Ignited. It's been really great interaction between both mining companies, METS companies. It's been all about growth and the industry. There's been a lot around data-driven business, operating from data rather than from gut feel, and then a lot around partner integration as well.
METS Ignited invited me to provide a workshop on machine learning. I was able to talk about it from a case study point of view, and also because it is a workshop, then use those case studies to then discuss with the group what has worked.
We had the possibility today to see and hear from industry leaders from the AI, machine learning, data analytics, cloud service background. Our international delegates today had the opportunity to explore how these technologies could benefit their businesses and sector, no matter the current level of technology. The workshop allowed them as well to think that it's possible to implement such technologies in their own countries, and METS Ignited is keen to facilitate the collaboration between Australian METS and these delegates.
My presentation today was focusing on machine learning and trying to explain to people in an intuitive kind of way what machine learning actually is. So we also had a roundtable discussion where the different companies that were present today were thinking about the concepts we discussed about machine learning, and they were thinking about their own problems and what challenges they face. And it was actually fascinating to hear how they were able to find opportunities and identify problems where machine learning could help them.
I found that the group was quite open to the idea that the companies already have data platforms available to them and that they can start leveraging them quickly to create value, and that those platforms are familiar with the existing workflows, and therefore the change management required is less, which means your uptake and scalability is achieved more quickly.
Go out there and start collecting data, start curating data, and because the data is the bedrock upon which the machine learning solutions are built. Without gathering any data, you can't proceed in this game. So if you want to get in the game, get the data and think about the problems that actually exist in your organization that are relevant to you.
It's been great to see a number of people from international, domestic, all across the industry to really talk about the future of where we're going.